That's right. So as you can see, a lot of people are making their way inside. The doors opened at about 5 o'clock. So just very recently, and everybody seems happy and positive. There's no shortage of food and activities out here. But again, the real party did start this morning with the city's annual 4th of July parade. Organized by the United Veterans Council of San Joaquin County, this year's 4th of July parade drew hundreds, if not thousands, to the heart of downtown Stockton. From colorful floats to marching bands, happy families lined up the streets to take it all in. Bring out with you.
All the kids.
All the kids.
All the kids down there.
Stockton police showed off their noble steeds, local schools represented their colors, and dozens of nonprofits stepped out in full force.
Our dojo is out here in the parade. They made a float, and it's the first time they're doing it. We didn't put the kids in it because it was too hot. They wanted to wear all their gi, but we came to support them.
The Grand Marshals this year, women veterans who were honored for their service and sacrifice.
Being how the world is today, it looks really well. Happy that everybody can come out here and kind of enjoy 4th of July.
Just family being together and everybody being happy, and hopefully everybody's going to have a safe 4th of July.
For others, this was a day to remember loved ones.
My cousin Jam, with Julian Martinez, he played for the Lamurville Sluggers, and this is just a jersey to commemorate him and reward out here so he can be with us.
Event goers say they hope next year's parade will be even bigger.
Stay safe and don't burn it down.
So everyone is welcome to come through here. And if you're like me and you have no plans this 4th of July night, there will be a fireworks show here at 9:30. For now, reporting live in Stockton, covering local news that matters, Josie Hart, Fox 40 News.
Thank you, Josie.